In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in SurveyMonkey step by step so you can add rich media to your survey and make it more engaging for respondents. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, you'll be able to do it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the survey where you want to add the video. If you're creating a new survey, you can start a fresh one, but the process works the same once you're inside the editor. Next, hover over the area where you want the video to appear. SurveyMonkey will show you an insert option, usually represented by a plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the content menu. This is where you can choose what kind of element you want to add to your survey. From the menu, click on text. In SurveyMonkey, video content is often added through a text block or a content area where media can be embedded. After selecting text, look for the video icon in the editor toolbar. Click on the video icon to open the video insertion window. Now paste the video link into the field provided. Make sure you're using a valid video URL and double check that the link is correct before continuing. This is the most important part, because if the link is broken or incomplete, the video won't display properly in your survey. Once you've pasted the link, click OK. SurveyMonkey will process the video and insert it into your survey question or content block. Take a moment to review how it looks on the page so you can make sure it appears in the right place and displays the way you want. After that, click Save to store your changes. Saving is important because it makes sure the video stays in your survey and is ready for respondents to view when they take the survey. If needed, you can go back and edit the placement later by reopening the survey editor. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a video in SurveyMonkey. It's a quick way to make your surveys more interactive, add instructions, share product demos, or include helpful explanations before a question. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.